So let's talk about iron deficiency and hair loss in women. So what is the treatment for iron deficiency? Well, you can change your diet so that you take in food with a greater amount of iron in the diet. Foods rich in iron include red meat, it includes fish and poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, and so on. Especially the liver and other organs would have a greater content of iron. Apart from that, green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, kale, and spinach will also contain a greater amount of iron. Nuts also have a greater amount of iron, so I can certainly recommend that. Apart from the diet, as we talked about, you can also take supplements. The supplements need to be adjusted to your specific needs. What is your situation? How much do you need? And bright colored vegetables and fruits will contain a great amount of vitamin C, such as oranges, grapefruits, strawberries, melons, papaya, mangoes, and other fruits. What are my recommendations then overall? So if you're suffering from androgenic alopecia, and keep in mind, androgenic alopecia, you might think, well, that's something with men, isn't it? Androgenic alopecia can be seen in men and women. And in men it's called male pattern baldness often, and in women it's called female pattern baldness. I do strongly recommend that you take iron, and rather I recommend that you have sufficient amount of iron in your blood to give the hair follicle the best possible conditions to produce hair. Further, if you're experiencing premature graying of your hair, in that case also I would suggest that you take iron, because that could be a reason why your hair is graying before than is expected. So if you're suffering from hair loss, I strongly suggest that you have your iron level checked, especially if you're a woman, because that could be the reason, or at least partially the reason, why you're losing hair.